Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have a very exciting box to unbox for you guys. I got my Boxy Premium in the mail. If you're not subscribed to BoxyCharm, they have a couple of subscription boxes you can do. This one I would say is more of the medium one. This is $35 a month. So my box is pretty heavy. So I'm curious to see what I got because I was like, ooh, this got a little bit of weight on it. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on my channel. I love makeup subscription boxes and I love mystery boxes. So that's the majority of what my channel contains. However, I do lots of makeup hauls and do lots of other miscellaneous things such as showing you guys collections of things from my makeup collection, my favorite collections, and so forth. So if you guys want to see what I got in my box, without further ado, here is my Boxy Premium box. Alright, so let's see what I got in this bad boy. It's very heavy. So it looks like so when you open the box up. It's a premium box, so it's always blue. Ooh, it's heavy. Then I'll give you guys a sneak peek first. So here's your sneak peek, sneak peek. Ooh, I see something I like. Alright, so let me get this box situated really quickly. I always take this little contraption out. Very excited for this box. Alright, let's see here. So we got a car. Oh, see, BoxyCharm, I'm proud of BoxyCharm. Out of all my subscription boxes, I think BoxyCharm is the only one left that still gives the prices on everything. And you guys know I love when they have prices. Even though I can look it up, I just like that they give it to you because who wants to do more work than they necessarily have to do? So anyway, I'm excited. So let me dig in. All right, the first thing I see that I'm so excited to get is the Morphe and Manny MUA Glam Palette. Because one of the other premium boxes, remember when it was giving away all these cool palettes? I didn't get jack. I didn't get no palette. I got a Fresh Pharmacy mask that I did not like, and it did nothing for me. So I'm so ecstatic that I finally got something good when they gave palettes out. So I'm happy I got one this time. So this is what the box looks like. They're giving you marble, grungy, gray vibes, thunder and lightning. All right, let's see. Let's see here. Alright, so this is what the palette looks like, the same as the box. Alright, and these are definitely Aisha colors. So Aisha is very happy. We have a beautiful mirror. Oh, hi Aisha. Alright, so let me show you the colors that I got. These are the colors. I love cranberries. I love, you get like a nice little highlighter here. I'm absolutely in love with this palette. So I can't wait to try this. So far, I'm loving this palette. Let's see how much this palette costs. This palette's only $20. I forgot that Morphe's very reasonable price. So this is only 20 bucks. Alright, let's see what else I got. The next thing I got is this big contraption. What is this here? Cuticle oil. I just purchased a cuticle oil when I did like a nail supply haul from Ulta. But this is a huge cuticle oil. Look at that bad boy. It should last me a lifetime, right? So this is by the brand, let's see, this is Cusio Natural Luxury Spa. Wow, look at this bad boy. This is a big cuticle oil. I don't think anyone in a lifetime needs this much cuticle oil. But nevertheless, I'll have this for a while. Let's see if it has a smell. Smells nice and sweet. I love it. Love, love, love it. So far, 2 for 2. Alright, let's see what else I got in here. Ooh, is this that $95 toner? Yes, it is. So this is by Rod, New York, and it's the Bitter Green Essence Toner. And if I'm correct, this is $95. Yep. I never had no $95 toner. Actually, I'm lying, I did, but I'm excited to try this one. This is what it looks like. Oops. Let's see if it has a smell. I don't know if this is opened or not. It has like a stopper, which I'm not about to break my nails for this, but it smells like very like mineral-y. Very, 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 very excited to try this, especially since it's $95. I don't know what it is, but people always think things are better when it's more money. It could be like not even good, but because people know they're getting more money, they want to buy it. All right. So the next thing I got is Nelson J. Beverly Hills Moisturizing Healing Mask. This is for the hair. Ooh, coconut scent. I love coconut scent. It has a seal on it, so anything that's a seal on it, I don't open it because you guys know I have multiple, quadruple, double, a million gazillion subscription boxes. Obviously, I'm exaggerating. I don't have a gazillion subscription boxes, but I have a lot. So much that honestly, I just store bins of everything each month, and when I finish something, I'll just pick something from the bin because it's too much. But if it's ever Christmas, birthday, anything like that, I never have to buy anything. If it's for a female, I can just pick from like a box of stuff. So, and then I also give stuff for my giveaway, so it works out for me. And plus, like, I love trying new stuff, so it really doesn't matter to me. I'm happy to get to do this and to share this with you guys. So, I'm happy. I like hair mask, so and I love coconut scent, so I'm very excited for that. The next thing I got, ooh, this is the Milk Kush Lash Primer. I don't believe I own anything from Milk Cosmetics. I want to try something from the brand, but I've never got anything. So I don't really, honestly and truly, I don't buy. Whoa, this thing is huge. Do you guys see this thing? This is a huge mascara. And actually, lately for work, I haven't been wearing my falsies, like my false lashes. I only really wear them when I film, just because it's like I'm wearing a mask. Like, why am I getting all super quadruple glammed up for work when I have a mask on? I feel like that takes away from how I look. So, I mean, I do my eyes. I do like this part up, and this part down has nothing. So I'm not gonna wear lashes, but at least my lashes will be nice and full with this primer. There's no smell to it. This is what the primer wand looks like. So very excited for that. Very, very. I'm definitely going to be using this, incorporate this everything. This is heavy. I could get a nice little workout with this. Just saying. So I want to say I got this before. Let me check, because I definitely got a Brow Boy by Rena palette. This is what it looks like. I already know what it looks like because I already have it. Not happy with all these doubles. And if I get something 3 times in a row, then I'm really going to be mad. I like the packaging. I'm probably going to say this is a giveaway or as a gift because it's a beautiful palette, but I don't need like 2 and 3 or 4 of them. I love the gold packaging on it. So this is going right back into the box because I already have one already. But overall, I got 2 palettes. Yeah. Morphe palette, Brow Ballerina, Hollywood Icon Face Kit. That's $45 for this. So keep in mind, guys, I only paid $35 for this box. So you definitely get your money's worth with BoxyCharm. In my honest opinion, BoxyCharm is like my favorite subscription box. Because like I feel like they give a lot of like name brand products, and not to sound like a name brand or anything like that, but people like to buy stuff that they know and they're familiar with. So I'm happy about that. But then on the flip side, I do like to try things that are not like name brand, because honestly, if I go into Sephora, obviously we all buy things that we heard of. It's very rare that we buy something that's like indie brand if we've never heard of it. So that's my way of trying things I normally wouldn't have gone to and been driven to try. So overall, I'm happy. I'm happy with my box. I definitely got my money's worth. I love, love, love my $95 toner. Did I mention this was $95? I love my cuticle oil. How much was this again? This was $18. That'll last a lifetime. I love my Milk Kush primer. That was $24. The mask I'm like not loving, but like it's okay. I like this. I like the mask. I like masks for my hair. Do I have time to use them? Probably not, but when I do have time, where is this? This is $24. And then I got the 2 palettes. So overall, I am happy with my box. Alright, so with that being said, this is the end of my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? If you stayed to the end of this video, you know you like my videos. So just show your girl some love. Subscribe, give me a little bit of love. I love when you guys give me thumbs up for my channel. Show me that you like my videos. Show me that you like my content. Also, don't forget, I've been forgetting to say this, but make sure you guys are hitting the notification bell so you guys know each and every time I upload a new video. You guys will get an alert, and then you guys won't miss out on any of my content. Alright guys, it was nice talking to you guys. Till the next unboxing. Bye!